How to activate your Windows with original product key for free. PC Tips, Part 3. As you can see, our window is not activated for now. Let's activate it. Go to your search bar and search for Microsoft Store, and open it. Now search for Show Key Plus. Click on this app and install it. After installation, open it. Now you can see your installed key and OEM key here. Click on Save and save it to your Any folder. After that, open it. Now copy OEM key from here. Now right-click on Start button and click on Settings. Search for Activation Settings. Click on Change Product Key. Now paste OEM key here. Click on Activate. Now your window is activated with original product key. As you can see now, the error is gone. This is the best and free way to activate your window. If you want to see the previous videos on PC tips, then you can see here. Thanks for watching. Do follow and like this video for more tips.